welcome to Wandering Travelers. So today I'm in Peyto Lake in Alberta. This is a beautiful spot, one of the most beautiful views, actually scenic views of Peyto Lake. So it's about a 700-meter hike from the car park, and you walk up all this trail and you get to the top and you see the beautiful view of Peyto Lake. So I'm actually here now in January, so it's going to be covered in snow, but it's a different beauty as well. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. Hi guys, so one thing I forgot to mention, when you come here to Peyto Lake, there's some hills and it's really slippery. So make sure you wear clips, and they've got like little spikes in them. We've had ours for about, I don't know, 6 years, and they're still working well. And I'm going to show it to them once I'm finished here, so you can see what they look like. There you go. They hook on to your feet and off you go. So it's common etiquette, if you find anything on a trail, you put it at the beginning of the hiking guide here.